Good day, viewers. Today, we shall be looking at this set of questions on the board. Please, if you're watching us via YouTube, support us by subscribing to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button to subscribe. And if you wish to be notified when we drop a new video, just click on the notification button. Thank you. Question 1, we are given this table and we're asked to find the first point value, right? Okay. Now for question 1, we are given the relation y equals x cubed minus x plus 3. And we're asked to find the missing value here. And at this point, our x is given to be minus 2. So substitute minus 2 into this. We have x that's minus 2 cubed minus 2 cubed minus 2 then plus 3. This gives us what? Minus 2 cubed is minus 8. Minus becomes plus 2 plus 3. Minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. And that is given by option B. For number 2, the nth term of a sequence is given by this. The nth term, let's call it Tn, is given by 3 to the power of 1 minus n. Find the sum of the first 3 terms. Let's get the terms. Alright, so we know the nature of the sequence. Okay, the first term T1, that is when n is 1, we're going to have 3 to the power of 1 minus 1, which is 3 is power 0. 3 is power 0, and that will give us what? 1. For the second term T2, 3 to the power of 1 minus 1, 3 to the power of what? 1 minus 2, sorry, that's minus 1. By indices, we have law of indices, this is 1 over 3. T3, 3 to the power of 1 minus 3, that is 3 to the power of minus 2. By law of indices, you have 1 over 3 to the power of what? 2, which is what? 1 over 9. Okay, and so on. So we have 1, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, and so on. Okay, let's check if it's, let's find the common ratio. 1 over 3 divided by 1 is 1 over 3, right? 1 over 3. 1 over 9 divides 1 over 3. 1 over 9 divides 1 over that is times 3 over 1. Also give us 1 over 3. So we have a common ratio. So it's a GP. Okay? It's a GP. And the ratio 1 over 3 is less than 1. So the sum of terms of a GP Sn is given by what? A bracket 1 minus r to the power of n all over what? 1 minus r. This is for what? R less than 1. Okay, I'm going to use this part of the board now. Alright, so what will this give us now? Okay, so the sum of n times is given by this. Alright, now I have to find the sum of the first 3 terms, that is S3. When n is 3, S3 will be equals to what? A, which is 1 times 1 minus r. R is 1 over 3. You have 1 over 3 to the power of what? 3. Let me use this square bracket here. Right? All over 1 minus r. That's 1 over 3. And this is given by what? 1 minus 1 over what? 27. Right? Divide by what? 3 times 1, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 over 3. And it's given by what? 27 times 1, 27 minus 1, 26 over 27. Division becomes, let's change to times, we have 3 over 2. Right? We break down 2 here, 1, 2 here, 13, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 9. So we have 13 over 9. So the sum of the first 3 terms is 13 over 9. And that is given by option what? D. Alright, now we'll move to number 3. For number 3, we're asked to find the positive value of P if this expression leaves a remainder 6 when divided by x minus P. So let's divide this by this and see what we get. This is what? 2x squared minus px plus p. Right? We divide it by x minus p. Okay, x into 2x squared is what? 2x. Right? So we multiply 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus p minus 2px. Okay, so subtract. What do you have? This cancels out. This minus this go. Minus px minus 2px. That is minus px minus minus becomes plus 2px. We have 2px minus px. This becomes px. Then we'll bring down our what? Plus p. Okay, x into px is what? Plus p. P times this. P times x, we have px. P times minus p minus p square. We subtract, right? This goes. What do you have now? P minus minus p square. You have p plus p square. Okay, so when you divide, you have this, and this is the same as the remainder, right? So we equate this to 6. Therefore, we have p plus p square equals 6, right? This is same as saying p square plus p minus 6 equals what? 0. Okay, we solve using what do you call it? The quadratic formula. So p will be equals to what now? Minus 1, right? Plus minus the square root of, right? Given the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c, x is given by what? Minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? That's what I'm doing here now. Okay, a is the quotient of x squared, b is the quotient of x, c is the constant. So here our a is 1, our b is 1, our c is minus 6. We are going to have minus b plus minus b square, that is 1 square, minus 4ac. A is 1, c is what? Minus 6, all over what? 2a. This will give us what? Minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1, right? Minus 4 times 1 times minus 6 is minus 24. 1 plus 24 is what? 25, all over what? 2 times 1, 2. This is 2 times 1, sorry, right? And this give us what now? Let me clean this part of the board. What will this give us? P equals to what? Minus 1 plus minus 5 over 2, right? And that will be what? Minus 1 plus 5 over 2, or minus 1 minus 5 over 2. So our P is what? 4 over 2, or what? Minus 6 over 2. So our P equals to what? 2, or what? Minus 3. So we asked the positive value. So therefore, P equals to what? 2. And that is given by what? Option C. Option C gives the correct answer. All right, that is all we have for you today. See you next time. Bye bye for now.